enchanting night I came to be near you, to become your sorrow. Smiling you embrace the tear-filled emotions.